What's up, family? Welcome to Dean's Experience. Here we do food recipes and tips, food, gadget, and kitchen tool reviews, challenges, and more. Before we get started, if you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right and hit all. If you have any ideas or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. And without further ado, let's get to the menu. Okay, for these Zesty Italian chicken wings, all you're going to need is salt, black pepper, onion, green peppers. Today, however, I am using multicolored peppers for looks and for garnish. You're also going to need minced garlic, Zesty Italian dressing, and of course your chicken wings. This is going to be an easy and a delicious dish. And without further ado, let's get to creating this, family. Okay, before we get started, you want to make sure that you clean your chicken nice and thoroughly. Now, I did tell you guys I would help show you how to take your wings into dings. You want to focus on these two ligaments that I pointed to, and that's where we're going to cut at, family. And that's how we make our wings and turn them into dings. There you have it. And that's also a good way to help you save money. They only charge you extra because they pre-cut the wings for you. You learn something new every day. And there you have it. Wing dings. Give me a like. Alright, family, we're going to go ahead and transfer our wings over to our mixing bowl. At this time, we're going to go ahead and add a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper. And at this time, family, we're going to go ahead and give this a mix. And that's it. We're almost done, family. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and transfer over to our baking dish. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Garlic helps clean the impurities in your food and help clean the bloodstream. Now, once we get the rest of our wings into our baking dish, we're going to add our sliced onions, our multicolored peppers, then the star of our soul, Zesty Italian dressing. And we're going to put that all over our wings, family. Let that marinate. Yes, we're going to go ahead and preheat our oven at 350 degrees. We're going to allow this to cook for at least 25 minutes. And when it comes back out, family, we're going to go ahead and give this a nice mix, just like you see here. Yes, we're going to go ahead and transfer these over to our cookie sheet. At this time, we do want to raise our temperature in our oven to 500 degrees to broil. We will let these cook for the next 15 to 20 minutes, family. When we bring them back out, this is what they're going to look like. We're going to go ahead and turn these over just like you see here. And then we're going to go ahead and paint the back of them with our Zesty Italian dressing. We're going to put this back in the oven for another 15 to 20 minutes. And until then, quick facts. Who invented Italian dressing? North American Italian dressing is thought to date back to 1941 in Framingham, Massachusetts. Florence Hanna, the daughter of Italian immigrants and wife of restaurateur Ken Hanna, made large batches of her family's salad dressing for the house salads at the restaurant. Pretty cool. You learn something new every day. Okay. And essentially, family, after an hour, this is what we have. You did this. This is looking beautiful. Let's go ahead and plate this up for you guys. And this is looking beautiful, family. Look at that nice garnish. Look at that chicken wing. Let's go ahead and have a taste. Delicioso. I want to say thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right and hit all. Share this video with at least one of your friends. Let's make it to our next 5,000 dings. Until our next food adventure, peace.